In the quaint town of Meadowbrook, there lived a young boy named Alex. From a very early age, it was evident that Alex possessed an extraordinary intellect and an insatiable curiosity about the world. His room was a treasure trove of books, maps, and artifacts from different continents, reflecting his passion for learning about diverse cultures. While his peers spent their afternoons playing games, Alex could be found exploring the wonders of the world through the vast realm of the internet. He devoured information about history, languages, geography, and art from every corner of the globe. His parents, Maria and John, were amazed and encouraged his pursuit of knowledge. One day, Alex stumbled upon a notice at his school about a cultural festival that would celebrate the heritage of different countries. Eager to share his vast knowledge with others, he decided to participate in the event. However, he soon realized that it wouldn't be easy. His classmates teased him for being different, and some even questioned the authenticity of his knowledge. Determined not to be discouraged, Alex embraced the challenge. He spent countless hours researching and preparing for the event. In his heart, he knew that sharing the beauty of different cultures was worth the struggles he faced. As the day of the cultural festival arrived, Alex took to the stage with his presentation. But instead of simply reciting facts, he decided to take his audience on a journey around the world. With the help of multimedia, he transported them to iconic landmarks, introduced them to renowned artists, and even taught them simple phrases in various languages. As Alex's presentation unfolded, the atmosphere in the room changed. His classmates and teachers were captivated by his storytelling and the way he brought cultures to life. It was no longer a mere presentation but an immersive experience that left a lasting impact on everyone present. The applause that followed was thunderous, and even those who once teased him now looked at him with newfound respect and admiration. Alex's journey to celebrate the world's diversity had not only educated his peers but also inspired them to embrace their own unique passions. His YouTube channel, The Global Prodigy, soon became a sensation. People from different continents connected with his message of unity and understanding. They saw in Alex a young ambassador who broke down cultural barriers through the power of knowledge and empathy. As his channel grew, so did his reach. Alex was invited to schools and events to share his experiences and spread the message of cultural appreciation. He made friends from all over the world, and together, they embarked on projects that aimed to promote global understanding. As years passed, the Global Prodigy became a movement that transcended borders and inspired people of all ages to become global citizens. Alex's passion for learning and his unwavering dedication to celebrating diversity changed the world, one video at a time. And so, the story of Alex, the incredibly intelligent young boy, and his journey through cultures continues to inspire generations to come, reminding us all that knowledge and empathy can be a force for harmony and transformation in our interconnected world.